Hey everyone, so we're taking our old wrap off because it's like 8 years old. And you know, on the back of the hopper where it gets really nasty because you get trash can juice all over it, ours was pretty rough and we had tried a number of things. I know Jason Proctor recently found a great product that works. I think it's real acidic, but check this out. This was so black and grimy. Do you see how that's just rubbing off? It's literally just white vinegar. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. This hopper is 8 years old. So if you want an easy way to keep this fresh, I just took a mop bucket and like a rag mop, wiped it on there, let it set, not even very long. I mean, maybe 5-10 minutes, and started scrubbing with extra fine wool. It's like the all zeros, and it's just coming off. So that's what you need to do.